Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my kitchen table. I invite you to pull up a seat. I'm Kate Brown, a wedding designer and coach at LoveWell Weddings, and I've recently launched an awesome new product called the LoveWell Method, and it is marriage and wedding planning for couples. So how we do it is in the form of courses, and those courses have just recently launched. And in celebration of that launch and to just get the word out to everyone, show them a little bit of what it's like to do the method, we have these awesome workshops that we're running. So we hope that you will join us. If you've gotten here, you are maybe a bride who is super overwhelmed, have way too much on your plate, which I totally get, and you're trying to do it all, and you could really use your partner in crime alongside of you. Or you're a couple who's already doing it together, but man, it is so much. It's so overwhelming, this wedding world, and you really just need some tools and resources to do it better. So that's what we have to offer to you, those 5 awesome ways that we can conquer that overwhelm. I'll tell you a little bit about it right now, and then we'll dive into it in more depth in our workshop. So first thing is to do it together. I can't even tell you the amazing benefits I've seen with our couples as they plan together. Through the whole process, they grow stronger and they have more fun and there is less stress. And then the wedding day, they're more present, they're engaged, they're like really proud of the day that they built together, and they're more prepared for marriage. And then the second thing we're going to talk about is prioritizing. I love prioritizing. I didn't always. And so I'll tell you a little bit more about why priority-led wedding planning can just revolutionize your time, your efficiency, and then also just your enjoyment of the process. And then we're going to talk about defining your vision and why that's important, why you should do it not only for your wedding day, but also for your marriage, and give you a couple ways on how you can do that. And we'll have fourth thing is the plan for the plan. You know, this wedding world can be so willy-nilly, or you're just taking an idea from here, and you're following this timeline and then this other budget tool and this other thing, and it can just feel too overwhelming, and you just need a plan so that you can make a plan. So we're going to talk about how you can do that. And the fifth thing is squashing indecision. Indecision can just make everything so overwhelming, whether you are actively just deciding not to decide because things are too overwhelming, which is totally valid, or you are too overwhelmed with all the decisions to make a decision and you don't know how to navigate and get out of that. So we're going to talk about how you can do that, give you tools and resources. So that's my hope for you. We'll of course have an invitation for you to learn more about the method, to jump in at our best rate that we'll have. And then there's also a cool bonus, but more than anything, I want you to be able to have great takeaways from this workshop so that you can actually decrease that overwhelm and the stress that comes along with it. So that's our hope for you. You can sign up for all the information will be sent to your inbox. So whenever we're close to the workshop date, we'll send out more information. We'd love for you to join us live, but we will definitely send replays because life is just crazy. Like, hello, COVID, too crazy to always make everything on your calendar, even if you have the best intentions. So we'll make sure you're hooked up, and we just can't wait to have you back at our table and tell you a little bit more about how to kill that overwhelm, let it go bye-bye, and have way more fun and less stress on your wedding planning journey. So we'll see you then. Bye.